Welcome back or welcome to my channel. This is Luna the Moon Tarot. My name is Neha Tankha, and today we are going to do the energy check update yet again. And we are going to check what are the current energies of your person towards you right now, what really happened in the past, what the future holds for you, and at present, where are you? Should you wait? Should you move on? Should you give this particular connection another chance or not? So today you are going to get all the answers, all the clarification, whether what you should be doing, what your next steps should be. And before I proceed, you already do the drill, guys. Connect to my energies by liking this particular by liking this particular video, and drop the zodiac sign of your partner in the comment section. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and think of your person right now. Connect to my energies by liking this particular video, and this particular video is for all the people who are watching it right now, connecting to my energies. What are their current thoughts and feelings? What are their person's current thoughts and feelings? What are their current thoughts and feelings? We have the Strength card. Something tells me that your person is trying to suppress their emotions. They are not being vocal about how they feel, what they feel towards you. They are being very practical right now. They are not ready to open up. You may be dealing with a very strong, heavy Leo sign over here, sun, moon, rising, or Venus sign here. All right, and this person is somebody who's very practical. I do not see a lot of emotions involved in this person's heart right now, because they are acting out of a place wherein they need to take a call. Something tells me that they need to take a call. Six of Pentacles, maybe juggling with money, maybe juggling with finances, but I do see with the Six of Pentacles, there has been a lot of imbalance in this particular relationship. Lot of imbalance, lot of probably one person has been giving in or investing in a lot more as compared to the other person. It can be you, it can be your person, so take how it may resonate. It can be anyone in this particular connection who has been doing that. With the Ten of Pentacles, there is a windfall that is about to happen. Either you or your person belongs from a good family financial background or doing good in your life. But I do see that in case if that's the situation, they are thinking about a forever with you. In the past, I feel that there has been an imbalance, but right now they want to balance the entire connection. They want to make you meet their family, they want to introduce you to their family members, and I do see that somewhere down the line they are aligning to that particular thought. For few of you, I do see that it is also about greed, because we had Six of Pentacles and now we have Ten of Pentacles. That tells me that somebody may be feeling a little greedy in this particular connection. There has been some financial matters also involved in this particular connection. I feel that somebody may have taken some sort of a loan, or somebody have spent a lot in this particular relationship. That is not going to be for everyone, but very few of you, I see that is also a situation in this particular connection. We have Six of Swords. That tells me that in this situation, okay, somebody is definitely trying their level best to fix the connection, to bring everything towards peace, to drive this connection towards calmer waters. And I do see that something has happened in the recent past, because of which the relationship has gone through a lot. The relationship has gone through a turmoil, and you really don't know what you need to do. You really don't know what exactly this person is thinking about, whether they are going to come back, whether they are not. But you feel helpless right now, because you feel that you have invested so much in this connection that you can't even let it go. Emotionally, you feel that you can't let it go. Practically, you know that there is a lot of things involved in this particular connection. Maybe you have to let it go, but you're unable to do so. There has been a runner chaser dynamics over here. There has been a runner chaser dynamics. Probably this person was running away, you were chasing them, or you were running away, this person was chasing. But there has been a lot of lies and deception. I'm getting a lot of Swords card, maybe dealing with Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini over here. all right, but I do see a lot of lies and deception here. Somebody who's very practical, okay, somebody switch, when it shifts, it shifts, it turns on, it turns on, okay. You just can't influence their decision. That's how you feel, that's how stubborn you feel that person is. With the Knight of Swords, I feel that you want to ask them, questions, why you did that to me, or why is this situation not uh, the way it was supposed to be, or the way you anticipated it should go. Because I feel that somebody over here is acting out of impulse. Probably they acted out of impulse, you acted out of impulse, but somebody definitely acted out of impulse in this particular situation. With the Four of Pentacles, I do see that either you or your person may have blocked you, or you have blocked them. In case not physical blocking or social media blocking has happened, and probably in this particular situation with the Four of Pentacles, I see that energetically there is a blockage. The heart chakra seems to be blocked and the energies are not being taken very well. Somebody is trying to push away the energy. Somebody is trying to push away the entire connection, and you really don't know what is the reason and why it is happening. So I feel that you are looking for the answers, which I'm sure as a human being, everybody does. So it is not bad. It's just that at times you get anxious, you get, all the panic and anxiety attacks, and you really want to know what has gone wrong and why things are like this. You want to rush in, okay? You want to, out of impulse, you want to ask them. You may be even messaging or calling them, and they may have even blocked you for that, because you trying to figure it out, why things are like this, why is it like my person is not acting the way they should have been acting, and what has gone wrong. You're ready to put in efforts, you're ready to put in your hard work, your heart and soul in this particular connection, but are they ready to do that or not? Let's figure it out, okay? Let's see. I see your energies, it's very dented. I see you being very hurt, and you still have hope, and you're still looking for answers. What is their overall energy? The Hierophant, the overall energy, something tells me over here that probably they're family members, or probably they are now looking for long term, and they really don't know whether to give you that particular commitment or not. Or probably they think that you are looking for long term, and if they at all have to be with you, they will have to give you this marriage commitment. That is why they are running away. Maybe dealing with a very strong Taurian energy over here, I see. Okay, so they are also thinking about long term, and they are scared about it. With the High Priestess, I see that this person is very intuitive. Probably you are even dreaming about each other. There is a telepathic connection that you guys share, even if you may not be talking right now, but I see a lot of telepathic messages or channel messages being downloaded at night, maybe while sleeping, or just while you're sitting, and all of a sudden you are thinking about them, and all of a sudden you are getting some messages or something. Okay, and I do see that this person definitely wants to take an action, but they are very confused because they have options. Probably their family showing them alliances, their families after them for to get married or something. But I do see that they have a lot of choices as well, and that is also one of the reasons that they have become very confused in choosing this connection, or in choosing you. Right now they can't give you the answer, because it is also the family pressure that they are going through. With the Hermit, they have gone in a shell, maybe dealing with a Virgo over here, but they have gone into a shell wherein they are trying to figure it out. There's a lot of self introspection and stuff which is happening right now, in order for them to understand what is it that they really and truly want in this particular connection, which is they want to be successful, they want to settle down, but at the same point of time they feel that there is a need to explore in the market. If they find somebody better, if they find somebody more good, and at the same point of time they are also keeping you as an option. Okay, so beware of this particular thing. I'm not saying move on, I'm not saying wait, I'm just saying just be beware. Okay, just be beware of this particular situation. They see you somebody who's very charismatic. very magnetic. You are somebody who they feel really attracted and drawn to, and you are somebody who knows how to get your things done. You are a go-getter, and they understand and they love that thing about you. But at the same point of time, they feel at times you become too controlling as well. You want things as per your as per you, and that is why they have been very in and out in this connection, and which has caused you a lot of heartbreak. It is not you who has been wrong over here. I think it is this person, because what is really happening is whenever you try to make them understand or something, they kind of run away, which is not a good technique, right? Which is not a good healthy thing, because if things are wrong, you definitely deserve to know the answer, and if they are shying away from them, then it is their problem, not yours. All right, now let's see what is the action that this person is going to take. Next actions this person going to take. Right now they are going to take a break. They're going to ask for a space. If they haven't asked for a space right now, I see they are going to take a break. They are going to ask for this space just because they want to balance the entire situation. They want to balance, and they want to be patient enough right now in order for them to understand what exactly they want to do and how they want to proceed. So that patience, that balance, that time is what something they are looking forward for right now. Okay, so they are going to deal or approach this connection with a lot of patience, because somewhere down the line, I think their mother, their sister, or their best friend is also kind of influencing them. There seems to be a very strong third party influence, can be anybody. Okay, but they still haven't overcome your memories. They still think about you. They still think about the good things and the good times that you guys have spent together. Sorry, there was one card that flew out, and that is weighing heavy on them. Okay, they just can't get rid of you. They just can't think negatively of you. They can't get over you, and that is weighing really, really, really heavy on them. Okay, so their next action is going to be with patience. They are going to first heal, balance out the situation. They are going to make peace within themselves emotionally in practical ways, and they are going to take a decision. Once they come out of that zone, that shell, they are going to approach you, and I do see that they won't be able to move on. In case if you've been questioning yourself, what if I don't reach out to them, what if they move on because I'm not reaching out to them? The answer is not at all, because I see that they are going to be very stuck on you. They won't be able to move on. Even though if they are trying to move on, they won't be able to, and they are going to approach in the upcoming 14 days. They are going to reach out to you because they just can't get over you. They just can't move on from you. All right, maybe they are dreaming about you, you are dreaming about them, you are seeing each other in dreams right now. I see very strong connect. Okay, I see a lot of fears and phobias around this particular connection, but there is also a very strong emotional connect. There is also a very strong spiritual connect. That is something that I see in this particular connection. They may have ghosted you, they may have turned cold towards this particular connection, but that is not forever, because in upcoming 1 month I see them proposing you. They won't be able to sustain their emotions, their love for you. Their cup of love will start overflowing, the emotions will start overflowing, and they are going to express each and everything to you. So that's about it, guys. I am so happy doing this reading, because anything and everything that starts from negative but ends towards positive note is something I would say was worth it. All right, so I would suggest in this particular situation, if you want to go for a spell work and this reading if resonates with you, you can go for the 21 days love combo or 3 days mini love combo, or you can just DM me telling me your situation, what exactly is the situation. I will suggest a spell work, and you can book with me right now. I'm also running few offers and discounts, so do ask me about offers and discounts. Apart from that, in case if you are looking for one-on-one session with me, you can DM me right now. I take personal readings, and it will be a personalized, tailored private session for you. All right, thank you so much. I'm going to see you later. Bye bye.